Another snow squall warning, gosh!
You are listening to All Hazards Radio, Station KW.
Oh my god, another snow squall warning.
This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KW035 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. On from near Pondville, moving east 6.5 miles per hour. Hazard, flash freeze on roads. Intense bursts of heavy snow.
Dude, another one!
Leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams.
God damn.
Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways. Northeast extension between mile markers 72 and 97. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 200, 77 and 314. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. Stroudsburg, Tobyhanna, Palmerton, Jim Thorpe, Nesquehoning, Wind Gap, Weatherly, Stormville, Rary Lake, Pocono Pines, Lake Harmony, Skitoff, Tannersville, Long Pond, Cristeto, Sunshine Valley, Reeders, and Beltsville State Park. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for a sudden loss of traction. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.
Oh my god, dude.
The snow squall warning for northern Hunterdon, southwestern Morris, Warren, southeast, south central Hunterdon.